In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from a Dropbox link. It's a straightforward process, but having a bit of guidance can make it even easier, especially if you're new to Dropbox or downloading files from shared links. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access the link to the video you want to download. This link might be sent to you via email, shared through a QR code, or simply given to you as a web address. No matter how you receive it, your first task is to get to this link. You can either click directly on the link if it's already on your device, or if it's a QR code, use your smartphone camera to scan it. Alternatively, if you have the link copied to your clipboard, head over to your web browser and paste it into the address bar. Once you've opened the link in your browser, you'll be directed to the Dropbox page displaying your video. At first glance, this page might seem like just a preview, but here's where we get to the part where you can download the video onto your device. Pay attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find a download icon. This icon usually looks like a downward pointing arrow or a simple download text. Clicking this icon is what triggers the download. Once you click on the download icon, the process should begin automatically. Your device will likely ask where you'd like to save the file. You can choose a location that's convenient for you, such as your desktop or a specific folder dedicated to video files. If your browser automatically saves files to a download folder, you might not be prompted to choose a location, and the video will appear in your default downloads folder. As a quick tip, if you're planning to download multiple videos or other files from Dropbox links quite often, you might want to organize these files into folders according to their purpose or subject. This can make it much easier to find them later when you need them. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded a video from a Dropbox link. As you can see, it's a simple procedure that involves just finding the link, accessing it through your browser, and clicking the download icon to obtain your file. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to check out some additional videos if you're interested in learning more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy downloading.